guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I'm going to show you how to make tahini. So the main ingredient for making tahini is your sesame seed. You can use the whole or the unwhole sesame seeds. So first of all, we are going to start by toasting our sesame seeds on the stove top. I've got about 1.5 cup of sesame seeds, so I'm going to bring it into a pan and toast it on medium heat. You will need a wooden spatula to stir this around. Just make sure the heat is not too much. Make sure you stir this from time to time to prevent your sesame seeds from burning. Toasting your sesame seed is an important step in making tahini. It adds a nutty flavor to your tahini. So once you have toasted this for 5 minutes and the sesame seeds are lightly colored but not brown, you can turn off your heat. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to pour the toasted seed into a dish or a tray and allow it to cool completely. Don't leave it in the pan, otherwise the residual heat in the pan is going to burn your sesame seeds, so you wouldn't want that. Once your toasted sesame have cooled down, just transfer them to your blender or food processor. Now I'm just going to start blending this right away. I've blended this for 3 minutes, and once it forms a paste, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use grapeseed oil because it's neutral. Just use oil that is less flavorful. You can keep adding the olive oil to adjust the consistency. Once I have a smooth texture and I've adjusted the consistency to how I love it, I'm now going to add a little bit of salt just to test. And I'm going to mix again until it's well combined. As you're doing this, don't forget to scrape the sides. So once I've gotten my desired consistency, which is very smooth, just like this, I'm going to stop mixing this. So guys, your tahini is ready. You can store this in an airtight container. You can use your tahini for tahini sauce, for salad dressing, and for making hummus. This was the very easy way to make tahini at home. And if you're new here for the first time, please subscribe and also share the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.